song, it being Freedom Day, and with the various opinions and feelings about what freedom actually means, I suspect having a conversation about Black consciousness, maybe reading some Fanon, maybe reading some Steve Biko himself. Thank you very much. Very important. Oh, thanks for mentioning that. Very important.
Sure.
And really just broadening our understanding of many things. So the voice, you actually chose the song. Do I have to pay you now? I'm a DJ on this show. It's the voice of tiro.venter, who is the director of StageFright Edutainment, and we're talking about industrial theatre. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Babi, and thank you for having us.
So talk to me, why the name StageFright?
Okay, from first year, a lady was shouted by the lecturer, you've got too much stage fright, man, you must let go of some of that. And I said to her, you know what, to get you out of trouble, give me some of your stage fright. And everybody laughed at me, right? So, and they started calling me stage fright. So, Kat said, yeah, when I opened the company, I thought, what a better name than stage fright. It just sounded nice to me. I didn't know what it meant then, but it sounded nice to me.
Where did you study?
TUT. Back then, nearly Pretoria Tech.
Yeah.
But it's amazing without completing, and I recently just went back for my 3 years ago.
Oh, good for you.
And I got my BTech, busy with my masters now.
Congratulations!
Sure.
So talk to me about what industrial theatre is. People may know about theatre in education or drama in education, bringing social issues to the stage in order to make some sort of point. But there's a difference with industrial theatre, no?
Yes. So conventional theatre, like Kobo State Theatre, so for example, it happens at a theatre building, right? Whereas industrial theatre happens at a workplace, or we use it, we perform at people's workplaces. And conventional theatre, you know, a writer will have an idea or some inspiration for it. Okay, I think I would like to tell people about such and such an issue.
Right.
Rona, it's client-based. Our clients tell us, for at our workplace, we think we have an issue, sexual harassment, for example. And then we go away and write a script about sexual harassment and perform it for them at their workplace. You know, a lot of people don't have time, like, you know, after work, you know, you've got, you know, chores that you need to do at home. You know, get into the theatre can matter. So right now we're taking theatre to the workplaces. And because we understand for workplaces, you know, their core business is to do the actual work. So we try to take as little time as possible from them. So if a show is 30 minutes long, you know, it's going to cost the company or the audiences 30 minutes to watch the show.
Of
and
productivity,
then they get back to
yes,
work.
absolutely.
Yes, exactly.
Very interesting. Why is this necessary?
Baby, it's necessary because a lot of people right now, a lot of people still today, you know, 25 years after democracy, some people don't like to read. Some people can't read. Yeah, but it's
no, I mean,
true,
that's a fact.
Right? Yeah. And also, you know, a lot of companies, they use the PowerPoint presentations and they go to conferences, have long meetings and stuff like that. By the time you get to the point, you forgot what the manager was saying in the beginning, right? So right now we make it in a fun way. It's fun, by the way. It's not, you know, sometimes you go to the theatre and you leave that place all ahead, like stuff.
So touched. Exactly. So it's fun, it's light, but it talks to whatever issues your client has. So how does that work? Do you have a set of productions pre-written for perhaps customer service or racism or company rebranding? Yes. Or does the client come to you and then you workshop? How does it actually work?
Okay, so client will say, we have an issue of racism, Tiro. How can you help us? How can StageFright help us, right? Then we'll say to them, okay, what's the actual issue that you have? What have you seen that is happening? Because it can come in many folds, right? Like reverse racism, for example. In the past, we used to have a lot of white people and very few black people. Now we have more black people than white people, and then we feel black people might be treating our white people in a different way. So we write a script specifically to address that particular issue. So it's not a blanket racism issue. So we tailor-make our shows. Although we do have a set of scenarios that talk to a lot of different topics. So sometimes you can take a little bit from there, a little bit from there, but it will be according to the company because we bring it home.
Talk to me about your staff, your actors. Who are some of the actors you work with?
Probably a lot. A lot. We've been running industrial theatre for this company, StageFright, for quite a long time, since 2005. And from there until now, we've worked with a lot of high-profile actors. However, we are sort of like funneling it down.
Okay.
We encourage, we sort of we work with actors who studied educational theatre specifically.
Yes, I'd imagine that would be important.
Yes, because it's not the same. Sometimes clients will call a company, but maybe they saw them doing a show called Market Theatre, and they're like, wow, these guys are so good. But when they have to do industrial theatre, it's something different, because even the rules of engagement are very different, right? So we work with a lot of graduates as well. I think 99% of the actors that we work with, they are graduate actors, people who actually studied drama and who specialized and majored in educational theatre or applied theatre.
So I'm curious to know, how then do you measure the success, the efficacy of what you have performed?
Yes. First of all, standing ovation after the performances.
I mean, that's how I live my life.
But most importantly,
you can see in the moment the impact you've made.
Yes, but most importantly, we after our shows we have Q&As, right? And you can hear people saying, maybe answering a question and saying, just like character A, B, and C said, just like Shonisani was saying, Lena was going through, through the same thing, and that's how you can see people were, first of all, they were listening, and second of all, they understand what you were saying to them, right? Comedy as well. I spoke about humor, but I believe when somebody laughs at something, it means they understand what you just said to them, and then they are going to want to share it with somebody else. When they share it with the person, but why was he saying that? What were they talking about? No, we're talking about HIV and AIDS. We're talking about ethics or code of conduct.
And the conversation expands.
And the conversation expands. And also, like our clients would call us and say, "Yo, deal. Can you imagine? People are still talking about Somatot. Like Somatot is one of our characters in one of the shows. They still talk. They're calling such and such a manager Somatot, or they're calling such and such a guy Shonisani and stuff like that. You know what I mean? And
so I mean, it really is impactful in that you be able to transpose what you see on stage with your lived experience.
Yes. Also, but it's like, say we're doing like an HIV and AIDS show, right? It's a call to action, right? We basically asking the audiences to test for their HIV status. Otokra company, people are not encouraged to test. People don't know the status. What can you do for us? And then we write a show, we perform it. After more, about 60 to 80% of the people went for the test.
That's so powerful. So, what kind of assistance do you need from the Power listeners?
Okay, but first
you must
of all,
know, CEOs, listed companies, mothers,
and
entrepreneurs. These are the people who are listening. So let us know.
No, just get the word out there. Babi, like, I appreciate I think it's what the chairman was talking about, the leg up, and I appreciate. They all appreciate, right? People don't know about what we do. They don't even know. Sometimes potential clients know what they want, but they don't know what it's called, so they don't even know how to search for it. So get drama, just search drama or play or acting, workplace, include the word workplace. We will pop up. I think maybe we're not the biggest company, but we're one of the biggest industrial theatre companies.
Your website is?
www.stagefright.co.za.
Brilliant. What an interesting sphere of transformation, right? You go in and you're really changing people's work lives, which in turn change their lives.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So sometimes leading motivational speaker, they've got a set like of an hour or so, and most of the thing they talk about different topics. So we've had motivational speakers coming to us and say, look, I'm going to be talking about this thing, but what after? Let's dramatize and turn it into a little scenario so that people can understand better. But we've performed everywhere, on a moving train, we've performed Kodi mining, we do a lot of work Kodi mining. We've performed anywhere, Kodi canteen, Kodi basement thing. It doesn't matter. Like any platform is a stage for us.
Well, listen, I think your work is great. Thank you for coming to speak to us. This is the voice of, I said tiro.venter, and he was like,
tiro.venter.
So there we go, tiro.venter. The company is called StageFright Edutainment. Thanks again.
Power 98.7 has signed
That
up.
was so great. Listen, you wanted at spots at 58.
We can
I
do
think
them
you
now.
can do them now.
Sure.
No?
Perfect.
All right. And then I wanted to have a picture with you.
Yes, please.
I'm